There are many different sources of income that can be available at age 30, and it is important to consider a range of options to ensure that you have a diverse and reliable income stream. It is also a good idea to plan for the future by saving and investing for retirement, as this can help ensure that you have sufficient income in the later stages of life. In this video, we have explained 12 potential sources of income at age of 30 to consider. Make sure to stick around until the end. You don't want to miss to know this useful information. If you already didn't this, then please like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notification for my future videos. Number 1. Full-time employment. One of the most common sources of income at age 30 is full-time employment. This may involve working for a single employer on a salaried or hourly basis, or it may involve contracting with multiple clients or companies on a freelance or project basis. Number 2. Part-time employment. In addition to full-time employment, many people at age 30 also have part-time employment to supplement their income. This may involve working a second job in a different field, or working flexible hours in the same field as their full-time job. Number 3. Self-employment. This can be a great source of income at age 30. It refers to the state of working for oneself rather than being employed by a company or organization. This can take the form of running a business, freelancing, or providing a service as an independent contractor. Self-employment allows for greater flexibility and control over one's work, but also carries the responsibility of managing one's own finances and benefits. It can be a rewarding career choice for those who are self-motivated, organized, and able to handle the risks and uncertainties of being their own boss. Number 4. Renting out a property. Owning a rental property can provide a steady stream of income, especially if the property is in a desirable location. This may involve renting out a room in a home or apartment, or renting out a whole house or apartment to multiple tenants. Number 5. Investing in stocks or other securities. Investing in stocks or other securities can provide passive income at age 30, as the investments can appreciate in value over time. It is important to understand the risks associated with investing, and to seek the advice of a financial professional if necessary. Number 6. Selling products or services online. Online platforms such as Etsy, eBay, or Amazon can be a great way to sell products or services online and generate income. This may involve selling handmade or unique items, or offering services such as graphic design or web development. Number 7. Renting out a skill or talent. Many people at age 30 have developed valuable skills or talents that can be rented out on a short-term or project basis. This may involve offering services such as photography, event planning, or tutoring. Number 8. Investing in a small business. Investing in a small business at the age of 30 can be a smart financial decision, as it allows for the potential for steady income and long-term growth. Starting a business can also be personally fulfilling, as it allows for the opportunity to pursue one's passions and interests. Number 9. Selling a product or service on a subscription basis. Offering a product or service on a subscription basis can provide a recurring source of income. This may involve offering a monthly subscription box, or providing access to a service such as a fitness app or online course. Number 10. Starting a blog or YouTube channel. Many people at age 30 have developed a passion or expertise in a particular subject, and starting a blog or YouTube channel can be a great way to monetize that knowledge. This may involve advertising, sponsored content, or product sales. Number 11. Participating in paid surveys or focus groups. Participating in paid surveys or focus groups can provide a small source of income, and many companies are willing to pay for consumer opinions or feedback. Number 12. Renting out a car or other assets. For those who own a car or other assets that are not being fully utilized, renting them out can provide a source of income. This may involve using a platform such as Turo or Getaround to rent out a car, or using Airbnb to rent out a room or entire home. By exploring these various sources of income at age 30, it is possible to build a diverse and sustainable financial foundation for the future. We value your feedback, so if you have any thoughts or suggestions about this video, please leave a comment and let us know. And don't forget to like and subscribe to stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.